Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself Dr. M.T. Bushair presenting weekly weather discussion. In this presentation I will be discussing about the past 1 week observed weather and about the weather that we are expecting next 2 weeks. First, let's discuss about the past 1 week significant weather observed. So last 1 week there was 2 active western disturbances. Under its influences, light to moderate rainfall or snowfall is observed from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh during 25 to 27th February, and light to moderate rainfall was observed from the Uttarakhand, Punjab and our Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh and adjoining plains. And there was a north-south trough that is runs from the Gangetic West Bengal to south coastal Karnataka. Under its influences, light to moderate rainfall was observed from the south SHWB, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha and our Jharkhand regions. And light to moderate rainfall was also observed from the northeastern regions and isolated heavy rainfall reports from the Tamil Nadu, Andaman Nicobar Islands. And coming to the thunderstorm and hailstorm reports, season's first spell of moderate to intense thunderstorm accompanied with hailstorm and gusty winds reports from the Gangetic West Bengal and our Sikkim, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and over the plains of northwest India during 22nd to 24th February. And hailstorm was also reports from the Assam, Meghalaya and also from Arunachal Pradesh. Coming to the heavy rainfall reports during the past 1 week, so heavy rainfall report from Odisha and our Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand and also from the Tamil Nadu and over the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So coming to the major weather systems during past 1 week, as I mentioned, there was 2 active western disturbances, one from 20 to 21st February and another was from 23 to 26 February. It moved across the northern plains of India and it produced convective activity mainly over the northwest India and adjoining plains. And the north-south trough from Gangetic West Bengal to southern Andhra Pradesh across Odisha, and it produces convective activity over mainly over the eastern regions. And there was an anticyclonic circulation over North Bay of Bengal in lower tropospheric level during the first half of the week. From this anticyclonic circulation, moisture supply was there to the north-south trough mentioned earlier. So now let's discuss about the weekly temperature, the temperature observed during the past 1 week. So the weekly average minimum temperature was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of north, northwest and west coast of India and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during the week. And the weekly average maximum temperature was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over northern, western and central India and below normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of northeast India and near normal over south peninsular India during the week. And the temperature appreciably above, that is 5 degrees Celsius or more, or in maximum temperature in the range of 37 to 40 degrees Celsius prevailed over west coast of India covering Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, North Kerala during 24th to 26th February. Hot and humid condition prevailed over this region during this period. So during the week, the lowest minimum temperature was reported from the Amritsar, that is 6.1 degrees Celsius, and the highest maximum temperature was reported from the Kannur airport, that is in Kerala, 40.4 degrees Celsius. Now let's discuss about the past 1 week rainfall and departure along with the seasons rainfall and departure. In this map, the green and the blue labeled met subdivisions represents the normal or excess rainfall received regions, and the met subdivision with yellow and red represents the regions where the rainfall was deficient. So if you look into the map, we can see that the regions like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, SHWB, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand and Konkan and coastal Karnataka and Andaman Nicobar Islands received a normal or excess rainfall during past 1 week, and all other Met subdivisions received deficient or large deficient rainfall. And if you look into the season's rainfall, that is starting from 1st January to 26th February, the regions like Arunachal Pradesh, SHWB, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, coastal Karnataka, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands received normal or excess rainfall, and all other Met subdivision received deficient or large deficient rainfall. If we look into the values during the past 1 week, the country as a whole received 5.5 millimeter of rainfall against the normal of 5.9 millimeter, that is -6% below normal. And in the season received 14.4 millimeter rainfall, that is -62% less as compared to the normal rainfall. So now let's discuss about the forecast during next 2 weeks. The silent features are there is an ongoing WD, and fresh western disturbance is likely to affect the northwest India. Under its influence, wet spell is likely to continue over northwest India and adjoining plains during next weeks. And if we discuss about the temperature, heat wave conditions very likely in the isolated pockets over Konkan and Goa on 27th and coastal Karnataka on 27th and 28th February. Hot and humid weather likely to continue over Konkan and Goa on 28th February and coastal Karnataka on 1st March. So if we discuss about the cyclogenesis, there is a likely formation of a cyclonic circulation over the North Indian Ocean, but there is no likelihood of its intensification into a depression. So coming to the forecast for next 2 weeks, first discuss about the temperature. There is an ongoing WD and a cyclonic circulation over northeast regions of India. Under its influence, rainfall is likely over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya. A fresh western disturbance likely to affect our northwest India from 2nd March, and the west press over northwest India and plains of India likely to continue till 3rd March. And if we discuss about for the week 2, that is 6th March to 13th March, under the influence of western disturbance, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall or snowfall likely to affect our western Himalayan region during some to many days over the week. Light to moderate, isolated to scattered rainfall is likely over northeast India and extreme south peninsular India during some days of the week. So coming to the temperature forecast, first let's discuss about the minimum temperature. The T minimum is likely to be above normal over many parts of the northwest India and many parts of the Gujarat, Madhya Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bihar and many parts of northwest India in week 1. And in week 1, T minimum is likely to be below normal in many parts of central India, many parts of East India, Marathwada, Telangana, Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. And if we discuss about the week 2, T minimum is likely to be above normal in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, many parts of Gujarat, some parts of Madhya Maharashtra and Karnataka. And T minimum is likely to be below normal over central India, East India, many parts of South India, Rajasthan, Marathwada, many parts of Northeast India. Now let's discuss about the forecast of the T max. So the T max is likely to be above normal over East India, some parts of Chhattisgarh, many parts of Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas of Madhya Pradesh, some parts in Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir, Konkan, Goa and coastal Karnataka in week 1. And T max is likely to be below normal over many parts of central India, many parts of West India and many parts of South India in week 1. And if we discuss about the T max in week 2, T max is likely to be above normal over many parts of northwest India, Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, coastal Karnataka, south interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, many parts of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, many parts of Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. T max is likely to be below normal over many parts of central India, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Telangana, East UP and many parts of East India. And if we discuss about the cyclogenesis, as I mentioned, there is likelihood formation of an upper air cyclonic circulation over north interior Indian Ocean and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal in the beginning of the week 1. And it may move across South Sri Lanka and Maldives or Comorin area during the first half of the week. There is no likelihood for intensification of this system into a depression. With this, I stop here We request everyone to follow IMD's social media platforms. We request everyone to download our app like Mausam, Damini, Meghdoot to be updated with forecast and warning. We will come next week with updated forecast and warning for the next weeks. Till then, Namaskar.